Good evening, Ton enthusiasts. Welcome back to our weekly deep dive into the Ton blockchain ecosystem. I'm Tonio, here to deliver the most impactful stories with added insight. Let's get started with this week's top developments. First up, Ton Stakers is excited to announce a new partnership with TonOrbital, the fastest growing Telegram mini app on the Ton blockchain. TonOrbital, backed by Bitget Wallet and Foresight X, is revolutionizing decentralized marketplaces, allowing users to buy and sell a diverse array of assets, including real-world assets and pre-market tokens. With 3 million total users and 1.1 million daily active users, TonOrbital is rapidly expanding its influence. In platform news, JVault has been featured on Dap Radar, a leading analytics platform for decentralized applications. This integration enables users to access in-depth data analytics, bolstering transparency and engagement within the Ton ecosystem. Exciting developments in wallet integration as Swap.coffee announces a partnership with the wallet. This collaboration brings enhanced features like Face ID, Touch ID, and secure storage, making it easier than ever to manage multiple wallets within the Ton ecosystem. Hamster Combat continues to make waves as its hamster token is set to debut on the OKX pre-market this August. The listing marks a significant milestone for this rapidly growing Telegram mini app. Stakers, get ready! Ton Stakers now support staking for Gemstone tokens, offering rewards in Stone for staking periods ranging from 30 to 100 days. This new option provides yet another avenue for earning within the Ton ecosystem. EVA is teaming up with Bitget Wallet for the upcoming Ton Ecosystem Carnival, Connect 2024. This partnership will enable participants to dive into Ton DeFi, explore different protocols, and earn substantial rewards, including 5 Ton, tickets, and points for completing tasks using Bitget Wallet. MyTon Wallet is making a splash in the Open League Token Challenge, offering boosted farming opportunities with a staggering 192% APR and additional rewards for top liquidity providers. This initiative runs until August 8th, so don't miss out. Moving on, XRocket has announced a strategic partnership with Ton Stakers. They're not slowing down this summer. Instead, they're ramping up with a new staking reward pool of 350,000 XRock, enhanced by an additional 175,000 XRock just added today. StoneFi users prepare for a smoother experience with a major interface upgrade. Enhanced navigation and a redesigned account popover are now live, making it easier to manage your investments directly from your mobile device. More good news for XRock holders as StoneFi now supports exchanges paired with USDT. Farming opportunities are on the horizon, with a generous distribution of rewards coming soon, alongside a commitment to quarterly buybacks and burns. Finally, StoneFi and OKX Wallet are collaborating on the Cryptopedia educational event. This initiative is designed to enlighten both new and seasoned users about key Ton projects and fundamental crypto concepts, with a chance to earn from a $350,000 reward pool. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching our Ton blockchain roundup. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.